Hey guys, hope you're all doing well. Today we're back in the city. Abby's out testing a lens, so I'm here being the sort of guinea pig. But I thought we'll do a run through of my everyday bag. This is the Ulvö Rolltop. It's also my camera bag, so I thought I'll show you some features and specs on this pack and a little bit on what's inside it as well. All right, let's do it. So, starting on the outside, this bag is made of the, I don't know if you can see it here, the berg shell material. So it's extra durable, but it's also waterproof. I think we should test that later. Continuing on the outside here, you see that it has two big stretchy pockets here on the side. On the right side here, you have a zipper, safety pocket sort of, where you can keep your keys, extra memory card, just things that you don't want to lose. Great for that. And yeah, bottles, umbrella, what have you on the sides here. You can also adjust the volume of the pack here on the side. Just pull the toggle here and then you can really tighten it up or loosen it up. It's called the Ulvö Rolltop due to the roll top here on the top. If you roll it up like this, this is part of the waterproofing. So when you roll it up like this, just like you would do in any pack bag that's waterproof, you roll it up and then you connect it like this and then you're good to go. And then there is no water coming in here. Front of the pack, you're adjusted here like, you know, normal stuff. And then you have the chest strap. This is a city bag, so there is, for once, no whistle on this one, which would be a little bit overkill, I assume. But then you simply just connect it like this here. And of course you can adjust it there as well. If you can see, just pull it, and then you're good to go. You also have two toggles here. The chest strap, you can adjust it up and down here on the sides. And then the logo on the back, it's reflective as well, so you're able to see it in the dark if you're biking home at night or whatever. So quick run through of the quick run through of the things that I have in my camera bag. First, the Macbook Pro 15-inch. Not super excited about that one, but whatever. Then I use the Panasonic GH5. I've been using that one for about a year now, something like that. Oh yeah, 9 months. I'm filming Abe now when he's using the headphones that I also carry in this pack here. That's those two. Microphone is pretty worn out, it's broken here on the back, but yeah, that's what happens when you go outdoors. And then there's just a bunch of you know, cables and charging and all those sort of things. First compartment here on the inside is the padded compartment for the computer, and then on the outside of that you have a small mesh pocket so you can see what you got in there with a zipper. This is where I keep my storage and, you know, memory cards and that sort of thing, just small miscellaneous items. I use this bag pretty much every day. Every time I leave the house and I want to have my computer with me or do some editing or just work on some project, I take this bag with me. I asked the guys at Fjallraven and they told me that it's waterproof, so they don't recommend to go swim with it, but it's more like it should be able to cover or take care of a rainy day. I should be able to drop it in here, pick it up, and everything should be fine. Let's do that and just, I don't know, I'll bet my computer on it, but I'll believe that it's fine. You can also see here on the, forgot to mention that before, but the seams inside here, they're tapered as well, they're taped. So yeah, it should be completely waterproof. I'll bet my computer on it, but I won't bet my camera on it. So let's put the computer in there, roll it up nice and tight. Let's hope the computer doesn't break, right?
Ska du slänga in den i vattnet?
Yeah, let's do it. See if you can film it from there. Alright, I don't know how good this will turn out, but let's see. The goal is that I'm not supposed to fall in either. All right, dry bag, and let's go. That's pretty wet, right? There you can see how the material, or the water just runs off the material, just like it should. This feels really wet now. I'm absolutely not sure if the computer made it or not, but let's open it up and see what we got. All right, you ready? I'm actually a little bit nervous. No, I'm just kidding. We're fine. Really good. The computer made it. My hands are wet, obviously. That's why it's wet here. But other than that, we're absolutely, yeah, bone dry. Just like it's supposed to do. I think that's the Ulvö Rolltop in a nutshell. Just everything that you want from a city pack or day pack. Simplistic, easy, durable, water resistant. Now super wet as well. Forgot that I have my car keys here. That was fucking stupid. I'll take out my car keys, probably dry them out. They'll be fine, don't worry about it. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as we did, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Take care.